Jetson Orin Nano SUB is designed by Yahboom based on the latest Jetson Orin Nano core board launched by NVIDIA. Equipped with a new Orin series carrier board, it has 4GB and 8GB RAM for choice. Jetson Orin Nano maintains the same size as Jetson Nano B01, but provides up to 80 times the performance. Computing power up to 40 TOPS. Compared with Jetson Nano B01, Jetson Orin Nano is more expensive and has better performance. It is suitable for users with high computing power requirements and sufficient budget. For the Jetson Orin Nano core board, the carrier board is specially designed for a more stable high current power supply solution, consistent with the official carrier board of Jetson Orin, meeting the 15W power consumption requirement. Compatible with aluminum alloy and acrylic case, supports 2-channel CSI cameras, supports 9-20V DC power supply, supports DisplayPort interface, on board for channel USB 3.0 high-speed interface, network interface, Type-C data transmission interface, 40-pin GPIO interface, etc. The development board is pre-installed with a dual-frequency wireless network card, and also includes a 3 dB high-gain dual antenna, stronger wireless signals and longer transmission distances. Developer kit include 128 GB solid-state drive, supporting higher speed read and write, meeting the needs of AI development projects. This solid-state drive be written the latest version of Ubuntu 20.0 for system image. Provide new Jetson Orin Nano development materials, including NVIDIA's latest Jetpack 5.1.1 system, latest Jetson reference, DeepStream, and other SDKs for AI visual cases, and many ROS materials for entry-level robot development. Yahboom will provide professional technical support services.